How to translate languages using Wordware. In order to do that, head over to your project files. Now, what we need to do is we need to head over and then use in here our multilingual body. Head over right here to the fifth, which is a prompt calling prompt, and then just span the A1, which is this multilingual body that we have, and you can also click on this translate. So for this translate right here, just need to input the everything. So just click on this right here, and then put in here the input, and then put in here wherein you want the language it to be translated. For example, let's put in here Korean. And then in here, click on this run option right here, and then this will translate this question right here into the specified language that we have created or we have inputted. So I have in here this Korean right here, and we have in here now our translated text from this one into this. So that's how you translate languages using Wordware. Hope we helped.